place this on here. Oh man, that feels good. So it's nice that you can, oh yeah, that allows you to really stretch. Hello guys, welcome back. So today we got this little strap. I didn't even try to rhyme. Oh guys, sometimes I make myself laugh, I gotta tell you. So this is great for yoga, for stretching. And don't worry guys, we are gonna test it out, show you guys. So it's just a nice long strap. You can interlay it. It kind of works like these belts. You know, they make belts that are just like this. That's what it reminds me of. So let's go ahead and show you guys. Let's demonstrate how it works. And you can position it at different positions, like on the top of your foot. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good for a lot of different things. Let's do our shoulder. So basically you guys can, you know, do it yourself. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't know if you guys heard that, but man, my neck totally cracked. That felt good. So you guys can use this with a lot of different things, a lot of different positions to relax. So we move back, you guys can see better. Man, that really, I'm telling you guys, that really helps your stretching. Man, you do this every day or every other day, you really could increase your flexibility. I mean, this really helps your flexibility. And it definitely lets you know if you're flexible or not. So let's see. Let's stretch a little bit longer here, guys. Oh yeah, I can feel the tendons being stretched. And then let's see if we can sit like we used to when we were kids. I mean, man, this really helps with stretching. Really does. Oh, I feel like I can almost do anything now. All right, there we go. Cross-legged, no problem. Wow, I like this. This is gonna be good for stretching, you know, before you go for a run or for yoga. Overall, guys, there's so many uses with this. I like it.